That's what's up. No cap. Y'all gotta understand, man. Some people real, some people hate.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody could be just like your brother. You just don't know it.
And that's how it was with him. He came on one of my last. I realized we was from the same city. We was from Richmond, VA. We linked up and we've been like this ever since, bro.
Bars. See, you never know, man. You hear me? The real ones gonna show real love. Bars.
Me and him went to the range a couple of times. And after that, we been like this, bro. Bro, do he
Bars.
he,
Cause
he
I
told me,
saw that's the one you did that the Uzi remix
yeah,
on. I saw that.
and
That M-
to his ARPs. I did a review on to his
okay,
ARPs.
okay. I
Yep.
saw that on you had bandaged up. Like I said, okay.
Yeah,
Ooh, that
yep.
been nice. Yeah, no cap.
Okay.
You hear me? There's some real ones out here. You hear me? It's a lot of them,
Yeah.
fake ones. Bars,
Yeah, all right. Be sponsored by the people. Yep, facts.
bars, bro. No cap. That's why I'm trying to tell everybody. What's up with it, my bro? Welcome back. We the best bars. You know me. You hear me? 5-7 game. You hear me? 5-7 game, Mike.
Yeah, you already know. One of my favorite curves. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I have it on
Yeah.
deck.
5-7 game. Stop playing.
Hey, I have it on deck. I've been carrying that 23 lately though.
Shit.
Like,
And I
like a
got
lot
the big
23,
Taurus game. Stop playing Taurus game. Stop playing. You hear me? We stay with it. Don't play. I just look like this.
yeah.
Don't play with it. You hear me? Yeah. Oh, I got that pocket bazooka too. Yeah, don't play with it. You hear me? Don't play with it. AKA pirate gun. Yeah. I bet you want to jump in front of that motherfucker though. Bars. Shit. Hurry, hurry. Yeah. All the real ones tap in, represent. I done told y'all, man. The real ones gonna tap into the real ones show. You did. Appreciate all y'all, no cap. 2-8, Funky Town, Triple D, we the best. Bars. Trying to tell them, you hear me? Yeah, everybody show love, tap in, tap in. Everybody go to 2-8 channel, man. Go check it out. Go check him out, y'all. You hear me? Go check it out. Say y'all go follow him on TikTok too. Bars, he pushing it too. Yeah, no cap. What's up with y'all? Everybody hit that thumbs up, man. Come on, we just need 2 more thumbs up. Come on, y'all. Come on. I'm gonna tell you, mama, yo. Hey, there go my bro Popcorn. Popcorn, go to the other 2 channels and pop out. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Bar, we be at 25 bars. Yeah, Popcorn in the building. Yeah, no cap. We got, yeah, everybody pop out. Stop playing. We the best. Hit that thumbs up. Come on, come on. That shit free. Yeah, it's free, y'all. Come on, come on. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Come on, hit that thumbs up, y'all. I'm gonna tell your mama. I'm gonna tell your mama you still up. Come on, we need 2 more thumbs up, y'all. Don't be scared. Come on, go make up another channel and go hit this thumbs up, man. Come on, y'all. Go make another channel up and come on back. Bar, you hear me? Stop playing, y'all. Come on, hit that thumbs up. I'm gonna tell your mama your ass still up. I'm not playing. Bars, come on. Yeah, follow my boy on TikTok too. Yo, we ain't playing no game. We running this shit. Bars. Hell yeah, stop playing, y'all. Come on. Come on now. Come on over to the house. Come on. Oh, there goes Spider Pig. Let's go, bro. Let's go. That's my bro right there. I told y'all. Y'all got us messed up. We the best. Bars. Yeah, I told you. Everybody say, get ready, man. We the best. I got the best supporters. Y'all just don't know. You hear me? Y'all gonna learn today. Bars. Cheers. Hell yeah, cheers. You hear me? I was ready. Cheers. We the best. Pop out, rock out. Let's go. I done told y'all. Delicious. Yeah, hit that thumbs up, everybody. Hit that thumbs up. Already hit the thumbs up. You forgot to hit the thumb. There we go. We need 1 more bars. See, that's how I know that family. You hear me? Everybody still lit up blue. Why? Notification